Hello friend, today we are discuss export potential of Indian agriculture. First, what is the export? An export in international trade is a good or service produced in one country that is sold into another country means export. The seller of such goods and services is an exporter and the foreign buyer is an importer means for these agriculture exports is extremely important as beside earning precious foreign exchange for the country, the export helps farmers, producer, exporter to take advantages of wider international market and increase their income. The export have also resulted in increased production in agriculture sector by increasing area coverage and productivity. The potential of agriculture in India as per the World Trade Organization, the trade statistics, the share of India's agriculture export and imports in the world agriculture trade in 2017 was 2.27% and 1.90% respectively. Even during the difficult time of pandemic lockdown, India took care to not to disturb the world food supply chain and continue to export. The export of agri commodities during March 2020 to June 2020 were rupees 25,552.7 crore against an export of rupees 20,734.8 crores during the same period in 2019, showing a sharp increase of 23.24%. The agricultural export as a percentage of India's agriculture GDP has increased from 9.4% in 2017-18 to 9.9% in 2018 and 19. While the agricultural export as a percentage of India's agriculture GDP has declined from 5.7% to 4.9%, indicating exportable surplus and decreased dependence on import of agriculture product in India. Then the giant strides have been made in agri export since independence. In 1950 to 51, the India's agri export was about rupees 149 crores, which has risen to the level of rupees 2.53 lakh crores in 2019-20. These are the potential of Indian agricultures. There has been substantial increase in export of almost all the agriculture items in the last 15 years. But despite being one of the top producers of agricultural products, India does not figure among top exporter of agricultural produce. For example, the India holds second rank in the world wheat production but ranks 34 in exports. Similarly, despite being world number 3 in production of vegetables, the export ranking of India is only 14. Same in the case of fruits, where India's is the export ranking of India is only 14th. Same in case of fruits, where India is the second largest producer in the world, but export ranking is 23rd. To reach the ranks of top exporting nation in agriculture commensurate with the production, there is a clear and categorical need to take proactive interventions. These are the potentials of agriculture export in Indian agriculture. Thank you.